Hey traders, and welcome back to some market insights with yours truly, Richard, serving traders responsibly here with Orbex. Today's market movers would be the Swiss franc trade balance. Then we have the ECB Spanish unemployment rate, and following that, we do have some news for the US dollar, which is quite significant, the consumer confidence index. So let's just jump on the economic calendar here, and firstly the Swiss franc, basically the released data for the Swiss franc for the trade balance was let's say a bit negative in the red. Okay, so a bit disappointing. However, I did pick the pound Swiss for today's analysis as a forex pair. Following that, we're going to take a look at the USD-CAD because I am expecting some volatility in the US dollar today as per this basically this release expected. And then we're going to go on the euro pound as well, based on the correlations between them. Okay, so let's just jump on the USD-CAD on the daily time frame first. And what I'm actually noticing is obviously before that, I was ready for the with let's say a potential bearish outcome, which performed right after it delivered basically a Fibonacci extension of these two swings. And from a harmonics point of view, this could also be something like this: X A B C D. All right. And which could basically be a bearish bat right there. Now, following this, okay, the way I'm looking at this this structure is the trend line, which is coming from a major descending channel. This is a correction inside that. And it's basically a primary X turquoise, the way I'm labeling it, in a double free, so W right here, then X, then A, B, C, and you can actually notice the harmonics, AB equals CD right here, these two patterns. And then it started basically a drop when it hit the top right there. So the way I'm seeing things is a possibility for the USD-CAD to gain resistance somewhere around the 1.3330 levels, yeah, at the 38.2 right there of this. So it's quite interesting to see because it could actually deliver a major bearish impulse. Next view would be the euro pound. I'm on the euro pound on a 4-hour time frame, and similar to the USD-CAD, I was ready basically with the bearish view on this once I noticed the possibility for a potential breakout, which actually occurred. Just loading the new bars, no magic here, no funny business going on, but it did drop. All right, so basically the impulse has been confirmed, the bearish impulse. Now the way I'm looking at things is the wave free, minor wave free, the powerful impulse inside this C wave, the intermediate C red. I'm seeing the minor free red possibly complete, and a possibility for a complex structure, something that would be most likely prolonged in time, some more of a complex structure in this wave 4, minor red 4. So this would eventually, if this is correct, would eventually reach the 38.2 levels, which is the displayed level 0.8786. And we'll basically see what would happen there. However, it should gain resistance. So we'll be able to know more details once I actually see the actual structure within this corrective pattern. So yeah, the bias is limited upside for the euro pound, but still the downside remains a valid, let's say, valid view in my personal opinion. Now, the last one, but not the least, is the pound Swiss. Following the Swiss data, now the way the pound Swiss is actually retracing here on the downside, but I do see it as a correction. I'm going to explain to you exactly why, because the way I'm labeling the rise is in an actual proper impulse, which involves an extension in the wave free. So basically I have here minute green 1, then retracement 2. So simple correction right here in wave 2. So I would expect, due to the law of alternation, I would actually expect a more of a complex structure in this wave 4. Sideways moves, possibly a triangle or a double or triple free even, we'll see. But the point is that the extension, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this wave 3 minute green looks to me like it's has been finalized. So it would be a valid, let's say, possibility. Now, this wave 4 should retrace around the 23.6 or 38.2 even, but considering the fact that it's actually channeling here, as you can actually see from the rising channel that I'm drawing right there, it could actually stop around the 23.6, where some levels do align. And as you can see, this pattern comes from basically an A, B right here with a triple free in the B wave minor blue right here. Yeah, so following the C, so basically the entire structure would look like an expanding flat, which could actually reach towards the 161.8 of A and B. So basically minor A measured with its retracement, which the B wave obviously went lower than the start of A. So following that, I do have the 161.8 Fibonacci extensions from A to B to possibly determine C in this expanding flat possibility as a structure in intermediate wave B blue. Notice that the 161.8 also aligns with the 61.8 of 3 and 4's retracements, but also with the 61.8 of this minor drop right there in intermediate A. So Fibonacci's are kind of lining up, and this could be a good view. We'll basically keep track of it, but I just wanted to send you guys these views, send you the views your way. That's it for today. Until next time, stay in the green and many pips ahead.